Hello everyone. In this demo, I'm going to show you how to use pwd command and cd command. The pwd command is used to print the name of the current or working directory. For example, I'm going to type pwd and hit enter. As we can see here, pwd prints the name of the current or working directory. So the current working directory, we are in /home/student. Okay, now let's move on to the next command. The cd command. The cd command is used to change the current or working directory. For example, I'm going to type cd and I already created a directory. It's called directory 1 and I hit enter. So cd space then the name of the directory. Hit enter. Then I'm going to type pwd to print the name of the current or working directory. As we can see here, we moved on from the previous directory or the working directory to the new working directory. So we are right now in directory 1. If I would like to change the current directory and go back to the home directory of this current user, I'm going to type only just cd, then I hit enter. Type pwd just to make sure that we went back to the previous directory. So what is this directory? It's /home/student. And what is the previous one? So this one is the current one. The previous one we were on /home/student/directory 1. If I would like to move on 2 steps, not just only to the next directory, the directory after, so I'm going to type cd, then the name of the cd, then space, then the name of the directory 1, then the name of the next directory, directory 2. Then I hit enter. And pwd and hit enter. As we can see here, we moved on 2 steps to directory 2. Now, if I would like to change or switch back to the directory that we were working before, also to print the current working directory, I type the command cd, then space, dash, then I hit enter. As you can see here, this command prints the working directory that we were working before and also prints the current working directory. Now let's move on to change to the, okay, let's type pwd now just to make sure we are here in this working directory. Now if I hit cd then dot, it's not going to change anything, just it's going just to change the working directory to the current working directory. Now if I would like to go back to the and move on next to like 2 more steps, so directory 1 then directory 2, so cd space directory 1/directory 2, then I hit enter, pwd, perfect. So we moved on 2 more steps. Now if I would like to change the directory and go back to the home directory of the current user, there is another command cd then tilde space delta, and then I hit enter, and pwd, we can see over here that we went back to the home directory of the current user. Let's move on to the, if I want to move on to the next directory, cd directory 1, and I hit enter. Now if I would like to change the directory and go back 1 more step to the previous directory, I can type the command cd then dot dot, and I hit enter, pwd, we can see over here we went back to the home directory of the current user. If I want to go back right now, I want to move on right now to the directory 1 and directory 2 also, so 2 more steps, then I hit enter. Then what I'm gonna do right now, I would like to change and go back 1 more step to the previous directory also, so I can do cd then dot dot then slash, and I hit enter. pwd, you can see here we went back one more step to the previous directory. Now if I would like to move on, let's move on to the next one, directory 2, pwd. You can see here this is the working directory right now. We moved on to directory 2. Now if I would like to go back from directory 2 to this two more steps, if I would like to go back 2 more steps from the current directory here to the home directory of the user here, to this one, there is another command. We can type cd, then dot dot slash dot dot slash. It means that 2 more steps back. Then I hit enter. You can pwd, and I hit enter. Okay, you can see over here we went back to the we went back 2 more steps from the current working directory to the home directory of this current user. If we would like to get more information about these 2 commands, we can just type man, then pwd, man space pwd, then we hit enter. So then we can find more information about this command. So we hit Q to go back to the Q to quit, to go back to the main page. So now we type also man cd space cd. I hit enter, and I hit enter. So you can see here more information about cd. Q to go back. That's it for this session. Thank you, and see you in the next lesson.